Sanmersen sent this package. Let's go open it. Okay, let's open it.
Here's some scissors.
Thanks, Mom.
Mikey, be careful. Ava has the scissors.
What are you looking for?
What do you think it is?
I think it is a toy. Yeah,
You think it's a toy? What kind of toy?
I don't know. I just think it is. Yeah, it's like a transformer.
Transformer?
Yeah, like a big robot.
Robot?
It could be. Something could be in there. We can't wait. We can't wait. It's a piano.
Wow.
Whoa. This is cool, guys. Look.
It's an electronic keyboard.
It's a keyboard.
So our friends at Sanmersen sent us an electronic keyboard. You guys ready to try it out? See how it sounds?
Sure. Yeah. These numbers and the piano things, and then it has this stuff, and it has the speaker. So we're gonna start to open it right now. Are you ready, Mikey? Yeah, let's open it. So let's take out this thing. Make this number. Let's go. Okay, I'm gonna get the instructions out.
Okay, how many batteries does it say we need? Can you count the batteries that we'll need? How many batteries?
1, 2, 3. We have a black
All right.
one, not a pink one or a blue one. We only have a black one.
Okay, so we need 4 batteries. Mikey, why don't you go ahead and get the batteries out? Right here. Mikey can get the batteries. So we need 4 batteries, right? So you got to get 4 batteries out.
Where are you gonna open it?
The back. Flip it open. There you go.
Oh. So I can remember how to crystal clear, and now I'm in a whole new world with you.
Wow, that's the song you want to sing on your new keyboard?
Yeah.
We need to learn how the melody really goes and the beat and the music.
A whole new world, a whole new world. Okay, we do need something.
Do you have 4 batteries, Mikey?
Wait, let's get some.
You got 4?
Now I'm in a whole new world with you. Now I'm in a whole new world.
Good job. All right, let's put the batteries in so Ava can sing her song. The other way. The other way. Yeah. Good job. All right, let's see if it works.
Wait, Mikey, let me make a jazz song.
A jazz song. Wow.
Now it's my turn. My turn, Ava. It's turned up too loud.
press a key. That's C. That's the key of C. So it'll tell you what key you're playing. That's A.
This means we're paying a whole lot of money? What this means we're paying?
Wow.
Someone's calling us.
Has a phone call sound to it.
It's like we're in space.
Wow, sounds like aliens or something?
Yeah.
Wow. Y'all can be the new Neptunes. Star Trek. Wow, I like that.
Yeah, I like that too. It looks like something is happening. Wait, let's see what happens if we mix them all together.
So what do y'all think about this keyboard?
Amazing!
Mikey, what do you want to say to our friends over at Sanmersen that sent us this keyboard?
This is cool and it's pretty well. I'm gonna make some more noise. Pretend that we're on a dance floor and I'm playing the music and you're dancing.
So you're the DJ?
Everybody get up and dance! Okay, guys. So, thanks for watching. And make sure you go to Amazon and buy this
Because it's what?
this is cool and you like it. Thank you.
So what do they need?
You.
They need to go on Amazon to do what now?
I need to go on Amazon because it's really fun. When you go on Amazon, you can buy this.
And what is that called, Bean?
It's called a Sanmersen keyboard, and you need to really buy it. Thanks again for our friends from Sanmersen for buying this for us and sending it. I don't know where they live, but I think we just said it. Bye. Hit this white button and click the notification bell. Yeah, and peace. Peace out.